Imagine sinking into the driver's seat of a 2026 GR Supra Final Edition, expecting pure track-focused brutality, only to discover surprisingly comfortable support for daily drives and long highway stretches. This final Supra quietly delivers the ownership comfort many buyers never saw coming, blending raw performance with real-world livability right up to its last production run. Hey everyone, welcome back to AeroNext Auto, where we break down what it's really like to own these machines in the real world. Today, we're diving into the 2026 GR Supra, specifically the MKV Final Edition, as this legendary sports coupe heads toward the end of the line in March 2026. If you're eyeing one before they're gone, stick around, because we're covering everything from daily comfort to long-term ownership truths. The 2026 GR Supra builds on the A90 platform's strengths with subtle refinements that make it even more livable. Up front, the cockpit feels driver-centric, yet surprisingly accommodating. Those bolstered seats offer solid support without pinching on longer trips, and the driving position is spot on for both spirited backroad runs and relaxed cruising. Visibility is decent for a low-slung coupe, and the interior materials hold up well, with no major creaks or rattles reported even in higher mileage examples from prior years. On the road, the inline-six turbo, 382 horsepower, 368 pound-feet, delivers smooth, linear power that feels exciting without being punishing. The adaptive suspension in the Final Edition soaks up imperfections better than earlier models, making it more comfortable for everyday use than its aggressive looks suggest. Handling remains razor-sharp, but the tweaks to steering and diff give it a more planted, confidence-inspiring feel without sacrificing fun. Reliability has been strong so far. BMW-sourced engine means proven components, and Toyota's tuning keeps issues minimal. Maintenance is straightforward at dealers, though parts may get pricier post-production. Fuel economy hovers around 22-29 mpg, respectable for the performance level. Addressing the big fear, this isn't going to be a money pit if you buy smart. In the United States, the 2026 GR Supra starts around $58,300 MSRP for base 3.0 models, climbing to $68,000 to $73,000 plus for the MKV Final Edition depending on options and transmission, manual or auto. These prices reflect the limited run exclusivity, only about 1,300 Final Editions for North America, so expect dealer markups on low supply units, but negotiation is possible as inventory moves. Trim differences? Base 3.0 gets you core performance. Premium adds nicer leather and tech. Final Edition justifies the jump with unique styling, upgraded suspension, and collectible badging, ideal if you want max refinement and resale potential. In Canada, pricing is similar in CAD equivalent, but starts higher due to market adjustments. Overall, strong value for a pure sports coupe with this pedigree. Depreciation has stabilized, and final year models often hold value well as last of the breed. The 2026 GR Supra Final Edition isn't just another sports car, it's the send-off for an icon that surprised everyone with its balance of thrill and everyday comfort. If you're serious about ownership, now's the time to hunt one down. Drop a like if this helped, subscribe for more real-world ownership deep dives, and comment below, would you grab a Final Edition Supra before it's gone? Thanks for watching. AeroNext Auto out.